Moxie is a noun that refers to courage, determination, or resourcefulness in the face of difficulty. It embodies the qualities of boldness, grit, and resilience, often used to describe someone with the audacity and energy to tackle challenges head-on. Origins of Moxie. The word Moxie originates from a brand name. It was first used in the late 19th century as the name of a tonic drink called Moxie, nerve food, marketed as a health elixir to boost energy and vigor. Over time, the term entered American slang, evolving to symbolize spunk and spirited determination. How to use Moxie. Moxie is informal and often used in positive contexts to praise someone's courage, cleverness, or ability to persist despite challenges. Example sentences: it takes a lot of moxie to start a business from scratch. She faced the criticism with moxie, refusing to back down. The team showed real moxie by coming back to win the game in the final minutes. To see similar words: courage, the ability to confront fear or adversity; pluck, boldness, and spirited confidence; grit, resilience, and strength of character; determination, firmness of purpose and resolve. Nuances of Moxie. Energetic boldness. It implies not just bravery but also a lively, spirited attitude. Resourcefulness suggests a clever or creative approach to overcoming obstacles. American informality. Moxie is especially popular in American English and carries a colloquial charm. As cultural significance, Moxie has become emblematic of the quintessential underdog spirit, often used to describe people or groups who defy the odds with resilience and ingenuity. It's celebrated in movies, books, and everyday life as a hallmark of determination and charisma. Antonyms of Moxie. Cowardice, lack of courage or bravery; timidity, shyness, or lack of confidence; resignation, acceptance of defeat or passivity. In summary, Moxie is a vibrant, spirited term that encapsulates courage, grit, and resourcefulness, whether describing a fearless individual or an audacious act. It highlights the bold determination required to face challenges and emerge victorious. Subscribe.